Begin by combining 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt in a large mixing bowl. Sprinkle 1 packet of yeast over this mixture and patiently wait for about 5 minutes until it foams up, signaling the start of our pretzel dough creation. Once the yeast becomes frothy, it's time to introduce 4 1/2 cups of flour and 4 tablespoons of melted butter into the mix. Stir these ingredients around diligently until a dough starts to form. Lay the dough on a lightly fluid surface for about 5 minutes. It should become smooth and elastic, creating an ideal playground for the yeast to work its magic. Now get a large bowl and grease it with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and place the dough inside, turning it around to ensure it's completely coated with oil. Cover this bowl with a clean kitchen towel and allow it to rise in a warm environment for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. While the dough is rising, go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large pot, bring 10 cups of water and 2/3 cup of baking soda to a rolling boil. Punch down the risen dough and divide it into small pieces, rolling each piece into a ball. Drop the dough balls into the boiling water for about 30 seconds. Then remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on your prepared baking sheet. Once all the dough balls are done, boiling, brush them with 1/2 cup of melted butter and sprinkle with the desired amount of coarse salt. Bake these pretzel bites in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. While the pretzel bites are baking, it's time to prepare the beer cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and whisk until smooth cooking for 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually pour in 1 cup of beer while whisking constantly until the mixture is smooth and thickened. Reduce the heat to low and stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese until melted and smooth. Stir in a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper to taste, and remove from heat. And there you have it, warm, chewy pretzel bites paired with a rich, creamy beer cheese sauce for dipping. This is a recipe that combines simple ingredients with a bit of kitchen magic to create something truly special. Enjoy these beer cheese pretzel bites as a snack, a party appetizer, or just because they're so irresistibly good. Bon appétit!